Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out whether the computer disk drive is partitioned as GPT or MBR in Windows. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So you might be thinking, what is GPT or what is MBR, right? So GPT stands for Globally Unique Identifier Partition Table and the MBR stands for Master Boot Record. So you might be thinking, what are those? So mainly if you are using older computers or laptops, then you will definitely see a classic BIOS system which looks in blue in color. I'm sure you may have come through those BIOS user interface, right? The classic one. So if you are using an older computer, then you will definitely see a MBR system, that is the Master Boot Record BIOS system, that is the classic BIOS system. But most of the modern computers, they come with newer versions of the BIOS systems that you can say it as GPT, which is known as Globally Unique Identifier Partition Table. So to find out whether the computer disk drive is partitioned as GPT or MBR on your Windows computer, so for this what you can do is just move your cursor to the start, and in the start just search for one application or a program, command from, just search this application, command from, and you can see here run as administrator, or you can just right click and run it as administrator. So now you can see a command prompt, right? So in the command prompt you need to type some commands. So the first command you need to type is dixpart. Just type this command, dixpart. After typing this command, just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now here what you need to type again is just type list space disk. So when you type this command, so after that just hit enter. Now you will see the disk drive partition as GPT or MBR. Now you can see here asterisk symbol just below the GPT. That means the computer disk drive is partitioned and GPT. You can see in my case I'm having a GPT partition disk drive on my Windows computer. So if you don't see a asterisk symbol just below the GPT, that means you are using a MBR partition disk drive. So using these tricks you can easily find out whether the computer disk drive is partitioned as GPT or MBR very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should check it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.